And Ms. Reasonable, you have to remove your hat. Okay, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Of course, in session, there's no reading, walking around, talking, sleeping, smoking, driving, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Ms. Tracy Reasonable, remove your hat. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is everyone, when I call your name, please let the attorney say their name first. Then you say your name. All right, this is the people versus Lorenzo Roberson. Ticket number SP 1289854, count 1, drive and register or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Daniel Wozak, P35225 with Lorenzo Roberson.
Your name is Roberson. Unmute yourself, say your name.
Lorenzo Roberson.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 10:05. No officers appeared. Do you have a motion, Mr. Wozak? Mr. Wozak, you're muted.
I'm sorry, Judge. I do make a motion to dismiss at this time.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Roberson, you are all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ms. Reasonable, you're making a lot of noise.
All right, this is the people versus Chelsea Roper, ticket number U633948822, count 1, no person should appear semi-nude at a sexually oriented business. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Tyrone Roper on behalf of Ms. Chelsea Roper. Ms. Roper, unmute and state your name.
Chelsea Roper.
Your Honor, is my,
Go ahead.
Your Honor, it's my understanding the officer has not shown up who issued the ticket. Therefore, at this time, we make a motion to dismiss.
All right, no officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice due to the officer failing to appear. You are all set, Ms. Roper. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the people versus Dominique Randall, ticket number SP 1270091, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, I'm
Dominique
Daniel.
Randall.
Ms. Randall, just hold on 1 second. I'm Daniel Wozak, P35225 with the defendant. Ms. Randall, now please tell the judge your name.
I'm sorry, Dominique Randall.
Your Honor, it appears there is no officer. I am making a motion to dismiss.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as no officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Ms. Randall. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Dion Rush,
Thank you so much.
remain in video, Mr. Rushing.
I'm good to go? Dominique Randall is good to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Dismissed. You're all set. All right, this is the people versus Lauren Dean, ticket number P1315338, count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage, count 2, drove while unlicensed, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Tyrone Roper on behalf of Ms. Lauren Dean. Ms. Dean, state your name.
Lauren Dean.
Your Honor, it's my understanding no officer has appeared who issued this ticket. Therefore, we would have motion to dismiss.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear. You are all set. Ms. Dean, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm not that excited. All right, this is the people versus Jabari Dodson, ticket number P1370223, count 1, expired place, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your name and record.
Good morning. Tyrone Rucker on behalf of Mr. Jabari Dotson. Mr. Dotson, unmute and state your name.
Javari Jamar Revere Dotson.
Your Honor, my understanding the officer has appeared on this ticket. Thus, we'll make a motion to dismiss.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Dodson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the People versus Roger DeMoss. Ticket number P1287216, count 1, driver and register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Ticket number 217333786, count 1, no operator's license in possession. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Roger DeMoss.
You're unmuted, Mr. Wazak.
I'm sorry, Judge. I'm Daniel Wazak on behalf of the defendant. Mr. DeMoss, please tell the judge your name.
Roger DeMoss.
Your Honor, this matter is set for trial. If the officer is not present, I am making a motion to dismiss.
Yeah, the officer is here. The officer did check in. He's, the officer did check in. I don't think I brought him out. So, did you want, there was an offer of bail to display and dismissing everything else.
Your Honor, Mr. DeMoss has presented insurance and registration. If that's sufficient, I'd ask that they be dismissed valid documents.
Right, those would be dismissed, but you still have the license issue.
Your Honor, the difficulty with his license is he was in Arizona for a while. When he presented his license, it was an Arizona license. He now has renewed his Michigan driver's license. It was issued 12/8/21, expiring 9/30/25.
So he does have a valid operator's license?
Yes.
All right, and you saw his registration and his insurance?
Yes, I did verify that. LA insurance and registration from 7/1/2022.
All right, okay, you stipulate the proper cause?
We do stipulate.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Mr. DeMoss does have valid documentation.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. DeMoss, the matters have been dismissed. You're free to go.
Thank.
Give me one moment, please.
I can't hear a thing.
All right, this is the People versus Darrell Dade, ticket number SP1385910, count 1, driver register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
I'm Daniel Wazak on his behalf. Mr. Dade, will you open your microphone and tell the judge your name, please?
My name is Darrell Dade.
Your Honor, Mr. Dade has presented documents for both the registration and the insurance. I am asking the matters be dismissed.
You stipulate the proper cause?
We do stipulate.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Dade has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Mr. Dade. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Anthony DeMyers, ticket number P1377305, count 1, drove unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and one moment. That's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning. I'm Daniel Wazak with the defendant. Mr. DeMyers, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Anthony DeMyers.
Your Honor, Mr. DeMyers has presented valid current documentation. I am asking the matters to be dismissed.
He provided registration and insurance?
Yes, Judge, I saw both of those.
All right, so there was also a matter that was in default of expired plates. Are you moving to set aside the default?
Yes, Judge, I would make that motion. Yes.
Okay, that's ticket number P1377275, count one expired plates. The court will set aside that default judgment, and you stipulate to probable cause.
We
You have-
stipulate.
Okay, these matters are dismissed without prejudice, as Mr. Demers does have valid documentation.
Thank you.
So you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
It had just gone into default, so that's the reason why I did that. Give me one moment, please. This is the people versus Carlos Davis, ticket number SP 1244296, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1131059, count one, drive a register or untitled vehicle. Ticket number count two, driver's license expired, and count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Tyron Rook on behalf of Mr. Carlos Davis. Mr. Davis, state your name.
Carlos Davis, good morning.
Your Honor, today is time set for a trial. At this point, no officers showing up. We would move for a dismissal.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice, as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set. Mr. Davis, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Were we ready? One moment. Let me, you guys file. Nothing. This is the people versus Royce Roberson. Ticket number P1375370, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyron Rook on behalf of Mr. Royce Roberson. Mr. Roberson, please state your name.
Good morning, this is Royce Roberson.
Your Honor, my client has provided proof of insurance. It expires 3/15/23. I have verified it. I have observed. You're muted, Judge. I can't hear you.
Probably just low. Do you stipulate to probable cause?
Your Honor, I do.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Roberson. Good luck to you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. This is the people versus Tracy Reasonover. Ticket number P1313117, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, and count two is expired plates. We do have the officer here. Let me bring him out. Are we ready on Ms. Reasonover?
I believe so. Yeah.
You ready, Ms. Rucker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me bring out Corporal Propic.
What was that, Your Honor?
I was trying to bring out the officer.
Oh, okay.
Might have to go get him.
Mr. Rochelle, could you turn on the video?
One moment, please.
get him, Mr. Rucker. He's in room number 2. It's Corporal Crockett.
Okay, I'll go in and get it.
I think Mr. No, yeah, can you go get him?
Okay.
Thanks.
You still won't work with the recommendation. That's the West, right?
She got to do the recommendation.
I just called her. She didn't have.
She's in the right.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, we have Mr. Rucker back. Thank you. Corporal Cropick, can you say your name for the record?
Yeah, Corporal Stanley Kropick, badge 775, officer for the city of Detroit.
Tyron Ruck on behalf of Ms. Tracy Reasonover. Ms. Reasonover, state your name.
Tracy Reasonover.
Your Honor, my client has presented proof of insurance and she's indicated her plates are now valid. Is that correct, Ms. Reasonover?
Yes.
Her registration?
You have your registration, Ms. Reasonover?
No, I don't. I just brought my certificate of insurance. I do apologize. That's all I was told that I had needed to bring with me.
You able to see if the vehicle was registered or?
I'm unable to, but I believe you guys have lien capability.
The registration, I don't have the registration yet. The car's not registered yet.
She wasn't talking to you, Ms. Reasonover.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Corporal Cropick, because I mean, she has.
Wait a minute, something. This might be the work now.
Oh no, we're gonna check to see.
This is a lien working now.
Okay, here, give me one moment, please.
Good question. I know it took valid.
Oh, if plates are valid.
Right.
Yeah.
Mr. Robertson, Edward Robertson, turn on your video.
Okay.
Okay, just remain quiet. We in court.
Not coming out. Corporal Cropick. What's your opinion, sir?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I didn't hear you.
What is your opinion? She has the valid registration. She indicates that her plates are now valid. But she says the vehicle is not registered yet. We couldn't check to see if her plates were good. So,
I mean, if I'm fine with dismissing both if you want.
it's up to you.
That's fine.
Okay, all right. So with that, thank you, Corporal Cropick. With that, Mr. Rucker, you stipulate the probable cause?
So stipulated. Thank you, Corporal Crawford. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
This is without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Reasonover. I would thank Corporal Crowe if I were you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. To everyone.
You're welcome. You're welcome, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, Corporal.
Welcome.
All right. Judge, Mr. Johnson and I are just looking for a short adjournment so that we're gonna meet on Friday to discuss discovery that was sent. We have some matters that we would like to discuss. And actually, I don't think we're intending on setting this for trial. We're trying to see if we can come up with a global resolution.
I'm gonna adjourn this to, when you want to adjourn it?
2 weeks would be sufficient. It would be just another pretrial, but we're gonna meet on Friday at 3 o'clock to discuss the discovery.
All right, this is the People versus Dion Russian, ticket number Z8086501, count one, operating with blood alcohol content of 0.17 or more. Ticket number P1336267, count one, improper plate, count two, leave scene of accident, personal injury attempted, and I think that's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tamika Horn, Your Honor, on behalf of the city, P70303.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Russian, present on Zoom. State your name, Mr. Russian.
Dion Russian.
I
And
did.
that's-
One last ticket is ticket number P1337235, count one, expired place, count two, refuse to submit the preliminary breath test. All right, it's my understanding, Ms. Horn and Mr. Johnson, you are looking for an adjournment?
Yes, Your
That's
Honor.
correct, Your Honor. Yes.
It's correct what Madam Counsel stated.
All right, so we will come back on February 22nd at 8:35.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set.
You can
Mr.
sign off,
Horn?
Mr. Russian.
I can leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Counselor. Okay, I'll go back in the room.
All right, this is the People versus Michael Rochelle, who's messing with his pants at this time. Ticket number, Mr. Rochelle. Come on. All right, ticket number P1367523, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, driving register or entitled vehicle. Give me one moment to find him. I only see one ticket on the docket. I don't know why these other tickets are not.
I can try and explain that, Judge, if you like. I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Rochelle, will you tell the judge your name?
Michael Rochelle.
Your Honor, these three tickets all happened at the same time. They were on track. He showed up on the court dates. And then count three, for some reason, on January 4th, said defendant failed to appear. And counts 1 and 2, he appeared. A trial date was set for
Okay, so I'm gonna dismiss count three.
Yes.
Without prejudice, you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, we stipulate, Judge.
That is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Rochelle. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Y'all have a blessing.
You too. Thank you. Are we ready, Mr. Robertson?
Judge, I needed the city attorney to approve a delayed sentence unless you can do that.
Let me see. What is his charge?
It's failed to secure load in the back of a pickup truck.
I think that is a. Let me see what she is. Can't remember if that's a 3-month or a 6-month delay. She's in room number 2.
All right.